Okay, so it's only fair. I know it's ending the other one, but it's only fair if I refractor while you're on the call. So we end up not doing that. So we're okay with that. I think a lot of this. So we're going to use pandas in the next step. So we're going to talk about that. We're good there. This is bringing back our mock data. Actually, we didn't even use it there, is it? So get data from file. Oh, that is the mock data, so that's okay. Yeah, so we save it to S3. We create a bucket. The cool thing about the bucket, I don't need about this. Just tell me when it's done. The cool thing about the bucket is if it already exists, it doesn't care, right? It just creates it if it needs to be created. So let's go create bucket. That's fine. Our send large data. This was the biggest thing about this video. You could change this to send different amounts besides 5 megabytes. I thought that was pretty good. I may run it real quick, make sure there's no breakpoint so we can actually see how fast it is, because this is 30 gigs of data, right? So we're going to get rid of this. We didn't use the file name, so that's all good. Or did we? No, we didn't. Okay, and we didn't use that there. Okay, and the other thing I like to do at the very end is just, this is just part of JetBrains, go into code, and just tell it to clean up my code for me, clean code, and just, we'll just do this file because sometimes it messes up if you do like JavaScript or something like that. Okay. And the other thing, if we go to code, let's see. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, reformat code. That's what I was looking for. All right, cool. Notice it kind of moved some stuff around a little bit. That just kind of helps make it clean. Yeah, so I think that's it. And let's go see what we got up here in our TEM data lake. And let's just refresh. And there we go. Those are really cool. 30 gigs each, right? And when I say 30 gigs, I'm sorry, 30,000 rows of data. It's not 30 gigs. I'm sorry, that would be massive, right? 30 rows of data, and it's only 6.2 megabytes, so that's not too bad. Anyway, I hope this helps. We're going to move on to the next step and write more code.